Honestly, it's my first truck race all week, so hope I don't fuck y'all up.
Good luck, guys.
Good luck, everyone. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to press the skip fly button. My bad. But good luck, everybody.
Good luck, everyone.
Good luck, Stuart.
The air temp is 25 Celsius, 25 laps. Alright Mike, nice and neat, stay out of trouble.
I lost over 250 I rating Tuesday night, and I was leading most of the races.
I've been doing B class, but this is out of my element.
Yeah, the B class is full enough right now, though. Same as right as I had. I did the 200 lap, Daytona 500 event on Wednesday, and we only had 2 cautions. One on lap 6, one on lap 95.
I was in that one, that was good.
Those long races are super speedways. My strategy is always the same. Hang around until the final pit stop and then you go.
Yup, patience.
Just gotta stay on that lead lap.
How's the picking in that?
Floor it.
Inside, clear inside.
We're already 3 wide.
Y'all have fun with that. Sorry, bro.
It's all good.
Car high. Still there. Clear high.
Alright, it's 2 by 2.
E9.
your line. Still there. Still there. Clear all round.
Safety cars coming out. Full course yellow.
What the hell?
Twice he's made it 3 wide.
You about murdered me there, Ford. Jesus Christ.
Lap 3. Wow.
He did it on lap 1.
Hey, Travis, you might want to go after the stairs. I think the back bumper up pretty good. Sorry about that.
Oh, good.
Watch your speed. Pit lane speed limit is 97 kilometers per hour.
I think I'm down on power, so I got a pretty big hit on the front.
Box in, a 5.
Checking out
4,
middle back stretch.
3, 2, 1. Box now.
Hey, 20, how bad am I?
Five cars gotta go by. Dude, I gotta wait for the 5.
I got a big flat out. Damage bad.
Alright, sounds good then. I don't know if I want to be in the top 4, to be honest.
Not safe.
I literally bought this car like half an hour ago just to have something different to race.
Well, I never qualified super speedway.
Box in, 5.
Hang in the back.
4,
Everyone else
3,
crash.
2, 1. Box now. Race will resume at the end of this lap. Heads up, prepare for green flag. Green flag.
Got a car high.
Real talk, Alan. What gear are you
Hold your
starting?
line. Clear outside. On the outside.
Wrecking
Clear
behind.
high.
Wrecking
Car
behind.
high.
Safety car out.
You playing the hang back on the start stick? Can you just not be in my way?
What the hell happened there?
What happened there?
I don't know, there's some trouble somewhere, but I got sideswiped and absolutely battered into the wall.
Outside pole sitter has the fucking ramp turn now. His fuck front end so beat up that we weren't even going forward. So if you start behind the six, he's not going to be able to go forward.
I know I got into the back of somebody.
Chicken up.
Well, there's nothing like a little 3-4 times. This number 9 is a big old piece of shit.
Get ready. Race will resume at the end of this lap.
Can you scoot up a little bit, fourth lane?
Okay, Mike, be ready. We're going green.
Thank you.
Green flag.
Clear high. Outside. Clear high.
10th position.
Car high. You clear high. Car inside. Hold your line. Clear low. Car high. Hold your line.
E9.
Still there. Clear high. Got a car high. Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line. Clear outside. On the outside. Clear outside.
E10.
Inside. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. You're clear inside. Car low. Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. Clear low. We've got a car low. Hold your line. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. You're
got him cleared. You want to drop down?
Hold your line. Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there. Inside clear. Car low. Still there. Clear inside. Car low. Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there.
Change position.
Still there. Hold your line. We've got a car on the inside. Hold your line. Clear low.
Come on, man.
We've got a car on the outside.
Dude, I'm sorry. I was completely off the
Car
fucking gas.
outside. Clear high.
V8.
Gotta break sometimes, man.
I just wasn't expecting that big of a fucking checkup.
We've got a car low. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line.
5, you're running
Hold your
damage,
line.
by the way.
Clear low. We've got a car on the inside. Hold your line. Hold your line.
E7.
Still there. Inside clear. Car low. Still there. Clear inside. Car high. Hold your line. Clear outside. Car high. Still there. Hold your line. 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 Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Clear high. Car outside. Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there. Still there.
Thomas, I think we need to get high and get
Hold
rid
your
of
line.
the impact.
Hold your line. Hold your line.
Alright.
Still there. Hold your line.
They're coming out. Get up high.
Still there.
I'm gonna
Hold your
go
line.
on the apron.
Hold your line. Clear outside. Outside. Clear outside. Car low. Clear low.
I guess the grass too.
14, and I'm still the other leader.
Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line.
P5, 2 to go.
Still there. Hold your line. Still there. On the outside. Clear high.
Yellow flag, safety car is out.
Knew that was gonna happen.
With that, like the entire outside line is gone.
No reason to slow down way back here.
6001.
Sorry, mate, that was my fault. You just need to learn how to straight line.
Yeah, if I'm so fucking with you everywhere. Because he was killing the outside run.
How we doing up here, 20?
Yeah, good, good.
I gave you a push by then. Give you a little bump. Alright, I have one request for this field. Please don't pass below the yellow.
I thought it was just go check out my stream.
That could be the second request if no one goes below the yellow.
And you win, of course, right?
I'm alright with anything in the top 5, honestly. As long as I keep it 0x.
Heard.
Look out for the pit speed limit. Look out for the pit speed limit.
Lucky dog coming high. Lucky dog coming high, lucky dog coming high.
You said turn right?
Yeah, you definitely could have turned right and ended both your races.
I wasn't pretty close up.
Then you probably would have collected like one more person, and then somebody wouldn't be paying attention and would drive into the people that slowed down for it.
That's a possibility.
So what you got behind the 5, huh?
Okay, Mike, get ready. Race will resume at the end of this lap.
I gotta let you ride, bro.
Yeah, no, but we can put it out on the straightaway and put it right here.
As long as you got full power, bro.
It's not quite full. Spot. Next spot. I'm gonna do a drive-through to the pit. Just go.
Yeah, thank you.
Pit lane closed, so you're gonna get a black flag.
It's still open for me.
Oh yeah, if you're a lapper or something.
No, I went in for repair. I'm not a lapper, I just went in for repairs.
Be ready, we're going green.
2 laps. If a caution comes out of the engine.
Green, 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 let's go.
Got a car high. Hold your line. Hold your line. Hold your line.
When y'all come through, I'll be on the apron.
Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line. You're clear high.
Come on, man. If I can tap the brakes, y'all can too, man.
Got
Shit.
a car on the outside. You're clear outside. We've got a car high. Still there. Still there. Clear high.
V6, one more lap to go.
We've got a car on the outside. You're clear high. Car high. Hold your line. Hold your line. You're clear outside. There's a car on your inside. Still there. Hold your line. 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 Still there. Still there. Still there. Going 3 wide, you're on the outside. 3 wide, you're in the middle. Car inside. Clear low.
P5, that's the finish. Well done.
Great race, Devon. Thank you.
I finished 20.
Fucking minute.
You bastard, that was close.
Yeah, I got it barely.
That was fun, guys. Try to go on the inside and you have to roll your line, but it's moving on everything.